Hello guys, for today's video we're gonna talk about how to install another operating system on your computer. We're gonna install Ubuntu and VirtualBox. For the whole video we're gonna show you how the installation process as well as the steps on installing the Ubuntu and the VirtualBox. Let's proceed to installing the VirtualBox.
Hi everyone! To install VirtualBox on your desktop, first, download the appropriate installer for your operating system from the VirtualBox website. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the installation process. During installation, you may be prompted to authorize administrative privilege. Leave it as a default setting of the app. After the installation is complete, launch VirtualBox from your desktop and applications menu. You're now ready to create and run machines on your computer using VirtualBox. Thank you.
So to install Ubuntu online, begin by accessing the Ubuntu website installer on the official Ubuntu website. Choose your version, language, and other preferences, ensuring a stable internet connection throughout the process. Partition your hard drive if necessary, following installer prompts, then proceed with the installation, which includes setting up accounts, configuring network settings, and downloading required software packages. After the installation completes, reboot your system and you'll have a fully functional Ubuntu website. Ensure to back up important data before starting and confirm your system meets Ubuntu minimum requirements.
So, to create a machine in VirtualBox, open VirtualBox application on your desktop and click on New in the VirtualBox Manager window. Enter a name for your VM and select the type and versions of the operating system you'll be installing. For this video, we will use one of the distribution of Linux, which is the Ubuntu. Next is to configure the amount of RAM to allocate to the VM, typically 1 to 2 GB for lightweight systems and more heavier for ones. Create a new virtual hard disk specifying the type, storage allocation, and size. Once the settings are configured, click Create to finish creating the VM.
Open VirtualBox. Launch the VirtualBox application on your desktop. Select the Ubuntu virtual machine in the VirtualBox Manager window. Locate the Ubuntu virtual machine you created earlier. If it's not already selected, click on it to highlight it. Start the VM with the Ubuntu VM selected. Click the Start button in the toolbar or double-click it on the VM to start it. Select Startup Disk. If this is the first time you're starting the VM, which is the virtual machine, VirtualBox will prompt you to select a startup disk. Click the folder icon next to empty under the storage section, and then navigate to end. Select the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded earlier. Start the Ubuntu installation. Once the startup disk is selected, click Start to boot the Ubuntu VM, which is the Ubuntu virtual machine. This will launch the Ubuntu installer inside the virtual machine, allowing you to proceed with the installation process.
Follow the on-screen prompts to install Ubuntu on the virtual machine. This includes selecting languages, time zone, keyboard, layout, days, partitioning and creating a user account. Then,
And yeah, for your configure user account, just simply follow the on-screen instruction to set up your accounts for accessing Ubuntu. First thing first, you need to provide a username, password, and any other required information. And the second one is language and keyboard preferences. Choose your preferred language and keyboard layout settings for Ubuntu. And the third one is select time zone. What does this mean? It means that you need to specify your time zone to ensure that system time is accurate. And the next one is install, updates, and additional software. After the basic installation is complete, you may be given the option to install updates and additional software packages. These tips can help you to ensure that your Ubuntu system is up to date and includes necessary drives and software. Once you have done or completed the installation, the process and any optional updates, you may be prompted to restart the virtual machine. Restarting will apply any changes and finalize the installation of Ubuntu.
Now that you have another operating system running within VirtualBox on your device, you can enjoy several benefits. Firstly, you can use the virtual machine to explore and experiment within the Ubuntu operating system without affecting your primary OS. This is useful for learning new skills, testing software capability, or running specific applications that are only available in Ubuntu. Having multiple operating systems on one device allows you to tailor your computing environment to different tasks. For example, you might use your primary OS for everyday tasks like web browsing and email, while using the Ubuntu virtual machine for software development and how to install another operating system in one device.